Randy Rocky, Swan Financial. Dave sent us an email about mortgages. He says he's currently in debt, has a mortgage for $530,000 on his home. And folks, this is an important thing because I think all of us who own homes or condos, right? We're wondering, what is this interest rate reduction going to mean to us down the road? So he owes $530,000 on the mortgage. He has a 6.5% interest rate, and he's wondering how much lower could his monthly payment be if the rates go down by 0.5%, which right now it sounds like he's at that point where like maybe at a 6%, right? So how much can he save on a $530,000 mortgage that's left?
Right at probably $172, 100 right in that range.
Oh.
It depends on how long he's been in the house. We don't have that information, but it'll be between that he'll have in monthly savings as far as what he's paying out if he goes back with a 30 years. So it just depends on how far he's been in the program. But I would say if he's been in it for a year, the overall savings, if he stayed the whole 30 years, would be somewhere in the 40 to 50,000 range.
Okay, that's over the life of the loan, obviously.
Yes,
but
yes.
In the short term, you're saying about $172 per month, and the cost, by the way, to refinance down by half a point.
You're looking somewhere in that time you do escrow, netting out escrows and all that, probably about 5,000.
Okay.
Somewhere in that range.
So you want to be in the house.
It rolls into the loan. It'll roll in.
Roll in.
Yeah.
So you're increasing, but your rate goes down. Plus you get a free month, basically, because
you get 2 months. If you do it right, you get 2 months off your mortgage.
It depends on when you actually close it. Yeah, that's
right. Right. Exactly.
So you're saving that monthly mortgage payment for 2 months in addition to dropping your rate 172. All right. Good stuff. Yep. A quickie reminder.
And real quick on that, which would cover all the closing, basically, if you can look at it that way. I mean, you got to pay it one day, but that would cover all the closing, saving the money on the payment those 2 months.
Right. So it equals out.
Right.
So you net down 172 per month. Okay.
Right.
Nothing to sneeze at, as they say. We're very proud of our actual reviews, and we made this really simple for you. Go to LouisvilleZillow.com or LouisvilleGoogle.com. Louisville Zillow or LouisvilleGoogle.com, where our reviews remain and will stay, hopefully, for perpetuity.